I tell you one thing. This is something in context I'll tell you. When I was 24 years of age, so my master sent me to a prostitute's house, whose girl was very beautiful, extraordinarily beautiful. She used to study in the college. He never told me where. He said, go that I had convertible Lincoln car, blue color. There were only 3 cars in India. I had one of them. Because I was very fond of cars and good dresses. I was a student. And he said, go and park car at such and such place. A girl will come, bring her to me. And that girl was taught to be funny with me. So instead of sitting behind, she sat next to me in the front seat. And she wanted to come closer. I said, you behave. I said, sit behind. I said, how can you be such a rude, being a yogi? He said, so suddenly I became conscious. I said, am I being rude? He said, yes. I don't mean. She said, I don't mean anything. I didn't do anything to you. So I thought it was my own problem. When I started driving, she put her hand around. I said, hey, don't do this. She said, you are afraid of my hand? I said, no. So then she brought her mouth near my cheek. I stopped the car. I said, you better stop here. He said, you have not learned enough. I said, doesn't matter whether I have learned or not. Will you please get out of the car? She said, no. I literally dragged her out and drove the car. And it was 3 miles away from the place where my master was sitting. He said, what happened? I said, I dropped her on the way. She was misbehaving. She said, the girl was misbehaving with you? How it is possible? You must have misbehaved. I said, swear, I'm not misbehaved. You know I never lied to you. He said, you dropped her, that is misbehaving. You are a very weak person. How will she come, walk, go back? I drove the car to that place. I said, will you please? She said, I will sit in the front. I said, no. You sit in the back. You are a good guest, sit like that. She sat down. She started singing something. I said, do you like my voice? I said, certainly not. Because I know music and you have not practiced. You see, your swaras are not good. Okay, I said, this is at the morning hours. Why do you not sing Yogiya Rag? I don't know that. I said, sing this, Bhatiyara or something. She said, no. I said, Bhairavi. She did not know anything about it, you know. I said, okay, don't talk nonsense, keep quiet. We came. My master asked her. He said, she must have told something. She called. Don't you feel excited to see this young woman? I said, certainly not. I was annoyed. Instead of, the way she behaved. He said, this is not the way. I want you to remain very strong in the world. Nothing should affect you. If you do something, do it, and don't say that you committed mistake. If you are killed, if you are hit, if you are jailed, then that is your responsibility. You never complain that I have committed a mistake, I am sorry. Never learned that thing. Whole day from morning and evening, what do you say? Your husband says, where were you? Sorry, honey. Then son says, Mom, where were you? Sorry, boy. 100 times you use sorry, what do you mean by that? It's 100 times you acknowledge your mistakes, daily that will create a complex in your heart and mind. My master said, never do it. When you do something, know that you are doing it, and when you do, have that responsibility for the consequences. With this, willpower is never weakened. This is my point. Then you can learn from the society what is right and what is wrong. If you are committing mistake, society will teach you. If you are doing wrong, they will kick you. What I mean to say? One should learn to be very strong from within. If you want to do something, do it. Nothing should be able to influence you, impress you, affect you. Because then external world will toss you around and you will be not guided by your own self within. Best of man and best of woman is he or she, those who are guided from within. Many times say, this is not the right. Why should you say, do like that? I do it. I scold somebody. People said, I don't like scolding. I said, then don't come to me. You need it. You see? Because I don't have much time. Patanjali has wrote Sutras. Swami Rama says briefly something. Shut up, that's enough. This is a sutra. I don't have much time to explain. Somebody will come and Panditji will explain, then they go crying to Panditji. Swamiji says, shut up. The Panditji explains, he must have said like this, he must have said like this. Or somebody goes to Kamal. Kamal says, what a big thing he said. He tells me every day. Don't feel bad. People have their own explanation because it is a short mantra.